Hello guys, in this video I will show you how to change the brightness on your Galaxy Watch or any Galaxy Wear item. First of all, you have to go to the settings, here, settings, and you will find a menu point which says display. You choose display and here it is, it says brightness. You go here, you have two ways to change it. You can just tap on the minus and it will bring it down. Or the other more convenient way is just to turn the dial and change the brightness like this. And on some watches there is another option which is a lot more convenient. From the main menu you can scroll down this pop-up menu here, and here you can also change your brightness the same way as in the settings. Yeah, that's it, how you can change the brightness on your Galaxy Watch. I hope this video was helpful, and if you liked it, please subscribe and leave a comment. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.